Temu Credit is a convenient way to pay for your purchases on Temu. Here's how to use it effectively. Earn Temu Credit. Temu credits can be earned through promotional offers, referral programs, or as rewards for specific purchases and activities. Keep an eye on Temu's campaigns to earn more credits. Check your Temu credit balance. Log into your Temu account. Navigate to the credits or rewards section under your profile to view your current credit balance. Add items to your cart. Browse Temu's catalog and select the items you want to buy. Add them to your cart as you normally would. Apply Temu credit during checkout. At the checkout page, look for an option to apply Temu credit. Select this option and the available credit will be deducted from your total amount. Pay the remaining balance. If your Temu credit doesn't cover the full cost, pay the remaining balance using other payment methods, such as a credit or debit card, PayPal, or any accepted method. Complete your purchase. Review the order summary and confirm your payment to finalize the transaction.